I am going to show you in this tutorial how to use Wisestamp. It's our signature generator, and it works to create a consistent, easy, walks people through the process in creating consistent signatures. So we do have right now an account for Teams, and so you just go to wisestamp.com and you hit the login. We only have a subscription through September, so you're gonna have to ask Ben if we can renew. I think the last time it was like $600 a year. I think I got a discount for $400 a year, but we also had many more. Um, we had many more employees at that time. So uh, this is inside it's Excelsier's old login that I created, but I converted it to, of course, Apex. Doesn't really matter what company you use, but the login for Wisestamp is lwhite at excelsiordocs.com, blink, capital B, 182, exclamation mark. So that is my administrative login. You can convert it, do whatever you want to with it. But as you can see, I have created, put in Apex Molecular. I put in the number. I don't know if we will have the same fax number or not. Put in the website. This is the company logo. You can change out that logo. And then when you do have a Facebook page, or LinkedIn page, Twitter page, you can paste those logins, or I mean those URLs here, and it shows up as active links. So the purpose of this is so many people go rogue on their signatures, and they will send their email, and it's really annoying because you can never see this graphic. It always shows up as an attachment, and then you have all of these things set up as hyperlinks, and it's annoying. They're all different sizes, and it just does not help with branding consistency, and most people are pretty technically inept to creating a nice signature. So everything is set up for Apex. All you need to do is manage users, and I'm probably going to give like so I'll give this tutorial to Becky, to Fancy, Ben, Yenny, and Cleon, so that you guys have the ability to just go in. See, I've already added everybody here, but I can definitely make sure that Yenny gets it, but you guys have the username and password that I have. So you want to add a user, you just go right here, and you put in their personal details, and you put in their name and everything. So Jim Smith, and then you put in their email, Jim at apexmolecular.com. It automatically will populate all of the information that I've put in for Apex. And then you add the user. At this time, you can say, do you want him to set up as an admin? So I don't want him as an admin, but I go add user. And it's cool because when it goes to you, it's going to give you a walkthrough of how to copy and paste this and how to put it into your signature. It will even connect it with G Suite. It will also show you how to put it into your phone, which is really nice. So there you go. That's how you manage your users. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this because the more that you have, it will charge you. So there we go. That is it. Enjoy.